Welcome. If you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network in your Nokia 6300 2020, and first you have to open the menu and find settings. Right now when you are on the network and the connectivity, you have to scroll to the Wi-Fi, then be sure that Wi-Fi is turned on and go for available networks. Right now you can find here the list of all networks around you, so I'm going to connect for example for Zenfone 7 Pro. And you have to input your password just like that. In my case it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. When you go below you are also able to show your password, as you can see, and if you want to connect just tap here. As you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.